Hello everyone, this is Menghan. Today video I would like to show you another Microsoft Word tip and trick that you can copy multiple items stored in the clipboard in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's check. Okay, for example, you copy this one, Control C, you copy, and I copy this one, and I copy this one, right? And then when I paste it somewhere down here, I got the last one. So where does another copy go? So go to home and you see something called clipboard right here. So click the clipboard panel here. So you see one of that. So let me copy this one. Copy, it go there. Copy number 2. Sorry, copy number 2. It go there. So if you want to paste this one, paste this one, paste this one, just click it. So you can hold up to 24 multiple copy right here, and you can clear all or paste all right here. And this option, yeah. So if you close this and you copy another, for example, these 3 together, copy, and you open it, it will be there. But if we close this Microsoft Word and then open again, it won't stay there. Install only while you're working. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. If you're looking for another Microsoft Word tip and trick, check link below and or up here. See you next time.